Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to my little jungle. In today's video, we are not going to discuss orchids. Rather, I am going to share with you on how we prepare our vegetable garden. So, let's go guys. So, this is how my husband's preparing our vegetable garden. We called it here tilling the dirt. And if you can see that pile there, that is a compost. We are going to add it there together with the dirt. So I hope you enjoy guys. See you later. And that's how he mixed those compost. It's only a pile of grass, those grass that we mowed in our property. We pile it there. He piled it there. That way, before we plant our seeds for the spring, we have a very nice dirt, and we don't need to put fertilizer because that is organic. So that's how we prepare our vegetable garden, and it's not done yet. We are still going to do something about it. My husband is going to till it again one time, and then it's ready to be used. We are going to plant our seeds and other seedlings already. But before I end this video, I would like to share with you the blooms of this phalaenopsis here. It already bloomed. I am so happy with this one. If you can see that bloom there, that is so pretty. Well, the two buds blasted, but it's okay. I still have more here, so that's good, I guess. And also, I am going to share with you the spike of my aloe vera. Let's go there, guys. Ta-da! Here's the spike of this aloe vera. It's so pretty. I have two aloe veras here, and both of them has a pops. I think this one has already 5 pops, this one, and this one has 3. I don't know, but some of them are so little, but this one, it has a big pop already. But this is what excites me so much. I am so excited for this one to see how the bloom's color will be. Anyway, and I put my daylilies here, and it's almost going to give me a flower. If you can see here, that's the buds all over there, and this one also has something there, and this one. So, oh, there's another one before I forgot. We have the dahlia. I'm gonna share with you the dahlia, how it looks like now. There we go. That's the dahlia. They're doing so good now. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.